Hello, CIS Services here. This is from our office today. We are going to be servicing a Kodak i2900 scanner. You can see we've serviced quite a number of scanners today, but I'll be showing you how to service a Kodak i2900 scanner. This is what it looks like. This is a Kodak i2900 scanner, and I'm going to be showing you how to service the pickup rollers, the separation rollers, and the CIS. I mean the scanner, the image scanner itself. That is what I mean by the CIS. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So this is a Kodak i2900 scanner, and I am going to show you how to service it. You can see i2900. So I am going to show you the back. This is what the back looks like. I'm going to open it for you to see how to get access to the scanner I was talking to you about. So to be able to open it, I'm going to gently raise it up this way by pressing the handle on the right. You can see it is open now. I am going to service this tray. This tray moves up and down, so that is the first thing I will want to do. I am going to apply lubrication to it. This is my lubricant. You can see it's a special lubricant for scanners only. Remember, you can't use any kind of lubricant for this. If not, it's going to damage the scanner. So you can see it moves freely now. What we're doing on this is basically general servicing, but I'm going to be showing you how to service the pickup rollers, the separation rollers, and the CIS. That is the image sensor. So this is the pickup rollers, and this is how to remove it. I'm going to push this aside. You can see the pickup roller is out. I am going to replace it with the newer ones because this is weak, and then I am going to show you how to clean it in case you still want to make use of your own. You don't have access to a new pickup rollers. I'll show you how to service it so that it works for you for some time. Okay, so this is the bottom pickup rollers. You can see you have to remove this first, and then the pickup roller comes out freely, and I'm going to be replacing it with these two new ones. Alright, so to clean so this is how you remove the pickup roller again. I need to show you how it is done. You can see there's dust and debris on each side of it. Over time it has built up dust and debris, and the threading doesn't show anymore. So I'm going to be cleaning it with a special cleaning fluid used mainly to clean rollers such as this. You can see the way I'm cleaning it horizontally. I am following the threadings on the pickup roller. Remember, you can't use any corrosive fluid to clean this. If not, it is going to eat the threading away, and then your pickup roller becomes worse than it was before. So you gently clean it this way. I am cleaning it, and I'll show you how to clean a pickup roller that you've lost the threading on it. So I'm going to brush out these areas of the dust around, and then so for this particular pickup roller, the threading is still there, so it can still be used. It will still work well for some time if you use the right kind of fluid to clean it. So I'm going to clean the separation roller. As you can see, all the rollers, then I'll clean the CIS. This is the CIS itself. This is the top glass of the CIS. Remember, you are going to use a special liquid to clean the CIS glass. You can't use any corrosive liquid to clean it. If not, it is going to damage your CIS and your image will become poor. So I'm going to clean, generally remove dust and debris that has built up around these areas over time. So this is the top pickup roller. I'll show you how to service it if you don't have a replacement for it yet. So I'm going to remove this metal that is on the plastic, so it is out, and then I'm going to use, there is another kind of liquid I'll use for this. Remember, they have different rollers on it and there's different liquid to clean it, and the reason for this is because of the threading. The threading of this particular pickup roller has lost the threading on it, so I'm going to clean it so that I can remove the dust that is blocking the threading on it. And for that, I'm going to be using brush. The essence of the brush is to be able to penetrate and get access to the threading, the horizontal threading on it. So I'm going to use my brush with the special liquid. If you notice, the liquid I used for the initial pickup roller that has threading on it, that is the bottom pickup roller, is different from this. That is because this one will help me remove debris that is blocking the threading, and I'm going to use this with a brush. So with my brush, I'm going to brush horizontally. Remember, do not brush against the threading lines on it. So I'm going to brush it briskly this way, and you can see the threadings on the pickup roller are showing back again. If you take note of it, oops. So the threading on it are showing again. So I'm going to clean the middle part of the pickup roller as well. So with my rag, I'm going to remove the excess fluid on it. Do you hear what I hear? So if you haven't done already, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have a whole lot of videos on how to repair all kinds of scanners, especially Kodak scanners. All models of Kodak scanners, we repair them, and then we have part of the rollers in case you like to change some of the parts yourself. If you can't get it to our office here in Lagos, we can get some of the parts for you. So you can see all the threadings are back again. Before, the threading was not showing at all. So with the cleaning and cleaning I've done, the threadings are back. So I'm going to push back the metal inside. That's exactly the way it is. Remember, take note of the place you put it out from. You can see this hole is different from this hole. You can see. Then I'm going to pull this back. That is just so take note of this. This is going to go inside the metal spring. So I'm going to apply clean this plastic. This house is some gears. I am going to lubricate it also. So I'm going to brush it carefully. Remember, there are gears inside. Brush carefully so as not to lose the gears inside. this particular plastic. Okay, you can see this is the gear I was talking to you about. I am going to apply some lubrication to it so as to loosen it up. So first of all, I have to brush out the debris and the dust around. Okay, so this is a special lubrication for that particular area, the gear area. So I'm going to apply this grease to it. This is to prevent friction on it and to allow the pickup roller move freely. So I'm going to return the rollers back exactly the way it is. Take note of the way it was when you brought it out, and then fix it in exactly the same way you brought it out. And remember, in case you have not done already, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We have a whole lot of videos on how to service and repair, maintain all brands and models of Kodak galleries scanners. So I'm going to replace it back exactly the way it is, and I'm cover it and then fix it. So if the rollers is not well positioned, it is not going to key in properly. And after you fix it, ensure to check if the rollers are spinning normally the way they ought to. So when fixing it back, take note of the metal on the left hand side. There is a spring attached to it, so you have to push it in before it will be able to fit in properly. So that is that for the pickup rollers, the separation rollers, and the CIS glass on this area. You can see there used to be markings on this area before. They are all gone, and this works especially if you have marks on it. So thank you. I'll see you some other time. Take care.